I have a valve, 8mm and one groove, and I want to shorten it and make 3 grooves, so it looks like this. The groove diameter is 6.2mm and groove depth is 36 spaces. Imagine we have 0 here and we need to rotate it to be 36 spaces like this. 2.7mm between the grooves. I use this gauge and rotate this one. One round plus 6 spaces like this. So it would be 2.7mm. Okay, let's check. Good. And this one. Okay, it's locked. So this is my setup. Dremel tool, holder, and this dial indicator. So here I put some towels to collect dust, to make sure it's not going inside the machine. By the way, I put some weight to hold the Dremel tool in this position, because it tool post kinda moves, because it's all the way out and it has some play here, but now it's good. There is minimal play, almost nothing. There is a 90-degree angle between valve stem and the grinder disc. Okay, this is a closer look to my Dremel tool setup. First of all, this is a holder. I bought it on eBay. It goes here. Okay, so now you can hold it to a tool post. This is a grinder disc, which is supposed to work with a grinder style Dremel machine, not with this one. This is like smaller version. It mostly works with small tools like this, but I made this mandrel myself, and now I'm able to use this huge grinder disc, 1.4mm thickness. Yeah, it has a little bit of play, and that's how we've got 2mm groove. So next step is to short them, maybe like this, using grinder. This is my setup of how I make stem tips straight, because after angle grinding it might be some angle. I'll put it here. And rotate. Once done, check it, it looks like this. I don't have to polish the tip because I'll be using a hardened cap which goes on top. So now the tip is protected.